Hi and welcome back. This is a video just to show you it's the end of the season. My birds are split up a month ago, but these are the last two youngsters of the 2020 season. They're both blacks. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to ban number 271 and number 272. So just before I do this with every chick, I'll give them half a canker tablet. And then band them. Nothing different that we don't normally do. Seen this 100 times before. So these are the last two of the season, both blacks. These are from an old black cock and a red hen, which is a daughter of the old red cock, the 2-time European champion. So we'll see how these come on. And that's it. Hope you like it. Just a short video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Until next time, see you later.